You know, a lot of people been asking me, man, what happened to the YouTube grind? What you been up to? What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a short day in the life, and I'm going to be giving you guys some insight on what I've been up to, where I've been, and how the year was for me, and my plans going into 2022. Gotta jump in the shower real quick. Y'all know your boy gotta get fresh. And fellas, make sure y'all step y'all cologne game up, man. The ladies love it. You gotta smell good. Today I'm gonna go out with the YSL Black, man. And I'm about to pick out a fit. Even though I can't go anywhere, I'm stuck in the house. But I'll talk to y'all about that later. So this is my French bulldog, Marlo. I'm about to feed him and take him outside for a walk, man. He's a good boy. He just turned 1 not too long ago. I gotta let y'all see the drip, man. You know, I got the Nike Air Max Shine with the Spoon collab, you know what I'm saying? You got the Eric Emanuel sweats with the Gallery Department tee. You know, we just chilling. Let's get into this video. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Josh, back with another video, and I know I've been gone for a minute. Man, right now I'm at home. I'm stuck because I got COVID. Been at home all week. I caught COVID, I think I want to say maybe last week sometime. I got a little bit sick and I was feeling it, but like Friday and Saturday, that joint really smacked me. Like my nose was running like crazy. Like I was sneezing a lot. I could just feel like all the like sinus pressure and everything. That really had me down. So, you know, I went down with my girl for the weekend, for Christmas or whatever. You know, she's in college, a little bit out the way from my city. So, you know, I drove up there for the weekend, chill with her, but I was like really sick. So when I came back home Sunday after Christmas, I took a test. I took an at-home test, came back positive. She was negative after she took a test at one of the pharmacies, so that's good. And I just been at home, man. I had to cancel all my appointments this week. So I just been at home chilling. I got dressed up just to stay home, man. But you know, that's how I roll. I gotta wake up every day and put on a fit, man. That's how I do it. But right now, man, I'm about to DoorDash me some food, man. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm still like a little stopped up a little bit. But y'all know about that Chipotle. That's gonna be smacking. DoorDash be taxing too, bro. Like they can take a meal that's like $10 and turn it into like $20, bro. $25. I'll be like, God, give me a break. And I'm gonna talk to y'all about, you know, my year, you know, where I've been, why I haven't uploaded in like the past month. I think almost 2 months, maybe. I took a little break, man, and I had to get my mind right. This year was a big year for me. I think I was learning a lot this year, really. But we're gonna talk about that in a few minutes. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to order me some Chipotle, man, off DoorDash. And wait on that to get here. I'm gonna unbox these shoes I just got that came in the mail today. I'm gonna show y'all those. You know what I'm saying? We got big things coming. 2022, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? We gotta smash all our goals, man. Make this year better than the last year. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I ordered me some new shoes that just came in the mail this morning. This package actually woke me up this morning like around 9 something. I laid back in the bed after I got them, bro. I knew they were on the way because I checked my phone when I first got up. I actually got up kind of early, but I went back to sleep, man. I wake up early every day, but sometimes if I'm like trying to get a little rest in, you know what I'm saying, I'll stay asleep a little bit longer or lay in the bed and just rest my eyes, man. Gotta have all the fresh kicks. I ordered the new Off-White Air Jordan 2s, man. You know what I'm saying? With that see-through box, you know, the Jordan Off-White 2, baby. These shits go crazy. Bro, I can't believe I got these. I've been waiting on these for like a week and a half. Sheesh. This is crazy. They actually look better in person to me. I mean, like, I can't believe this right now. These cost me a grip too, bro. Y'all already know about them Off-Whites, man. R.I.P. Virgil, bro. R.I.P. Virgil. I'm a big fan of his work. These shoes are like art to me, for real, for real. This is crazy, bro. But yeah, y'all see the unboxing, man. Off-White Jordan 2. But y'all know your boy JoshXBarber had to tap in. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't pass them up. A little Christmas gift to myself, man. Let's get into what I want to talk about in this video. If y'all guys hear like some choking and stuff, that's my dog. I got a Frenchie, so they be doing some crazy stuff sometimes because of their like the way they're made or something, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. But yeah, let's get into this little chit chat. So I wanted to make a video talking to you guys about what I've been up to, you know, kind of like the end of the year recap, where my mind is at and everything, and why I haven't posted a video. You know, a lot of people been asking me, man, what happened to the YouTube grind? What you been up to? Man, this year was it didn't go as I planned, to be honest. You know, earlier in the year, I thought I was gonna be like going full time on YouTube or whatever. But I've been learning a lot too, about just life in general. Trying to better my financial life, learn more about financial literacy, stuff like that. You know, just really just learning a lot, man, to be honest. And I'm happy for that, actually. Even though my year didn't go as planned, I'm happy for this year. I'm happy about everything that I learned about, you know, places I want to go in my life, setting things up. This year I did a lot of things with my business better. You know, I've been on my journey 5 years cutting hair, and I've been like really like out of like barber school for like 2 years maybe of that. So, you know, things got serious after I got out of barber school. Had to get like business accounts set up, you know, my taxes and stuff like that. You know, I've been learning a lot about all that. So that's what I've been on. So this year I didn't really put forth, like, you know, I put out a lot of videos for you guys, but you know, I want to really go harder 2022 as far as like my brand, growing it, connecting with you guys more. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments for real. Like 2022, we turning up. I'm starting now, man. It's not even 2022 yet, but that's where my mind is at. That's why I took this like month off towards the end of the year, because it was, you know, towards the end of the year, holidays. So I just been kind of living, man, you know what I'm saying, getting my mind right, and you know, going into 2022 even better, more focused, and you know, getting out of my own way. I was in my head a lot, you know, wanting to do things different, you know, because change takes a lot, but it's growth, you know what I'm saying. There's nothing wrong with change. And I had to realize that, you know, with where I want to go in my life, I have a lot of big changes I'm going to have to make from what I've been doing and, you know what I'm saying, my past life. You can't take everybody with you. I want y'all to know, you really can't take everybody with you. When you want to, like, when you have a big vision, big dreams, you got to really lock in. It's a lot of personal stuff that you're going to have to deal with. But once you really lock in and focus on what it really takes to be successful, you know, you have to cut out a lot of people in your life. You got to get your mind right. Your mental health is something that everybody should really, you know what I'm saying, pay attention to. Your mental health really affects how you operate in your day-to-day life. You know, you want to get that balance and everything. So that's what I've been on. Just really finding myself, man. I've been having fun. This journey has been very fun. And I have a lot that I'm you know, be doing for you guys, man. I'm about to tap in and go even greater, because I have a lot of support from you guys. It's been only like 2 years. I only been on YouTube like 2 years. So, I mean, everything kind of happened fast, and I've had like major support. So I've been having to kind of like realize that, you know what I'm saying, because like 2020 going into 2021 was like crazy how, like, you know, how I blew up and everything, and how, like, you know, I really just been helping a lot of people. A lot of people reach out to me all the time talking about how much they love me and everything. So I had to let all that settle into my mind, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, dang, so I'm really like, cause I'm telling you guys, everything that I'm doing right now was a dream. I mean, it's crazy, just from, you know, starting in the bathroom cutting hair, you know, when I was in high school, just picking up the clippers and just cutting everybody at school, and like going home and, like, you know, having people come to the crib and really running it like a real deal barbershop. Like, I quit. I used to work at Food City. It was a grocery store. I worked at Steak and Shake. Y'all know Steak and Shake. You know, I did both of those at the same time, but I ended up quitting Steak and Shake because I started cutting hair, and I was like, I don't need a second job. Then I stayed at Food City for a while, and really I just dived in all the way, man. I was like, man, forget Food City. I just stopped showing up. I just started cutting hair full time. Fast forward to right now, man, it's crazy because everything that I'm doing was a dream. Like, even being able to talk to you guys and actually have an audience of people that I influence, people that I help, and try to motivate to be better and to become great, man. And that's all I want to do on my channel. That's all I want to just resonate with the world, all my good energy. and I want everybody to be great, you know what I mean? And that's what it's all about, and that's really one of the reasons why I did start my channel, just to like show the world my greatness and also helping other people by giving tutorials. I've had a lot of people hit me up talking about like, bro, you really helped me, man, with cutting hair. I had one guy hit me up and was like, bro, I'm in college. Like, you're helping me make money in college from me watching your videos, learning how to cut. You know what I'm saying? Little stuff like that. I see that, man, and I love you guys for it. And I want to just, you know, do more for you guys, man. So I got to turn it up a notch. That's what we on this year. I had to really just get my mind right, man, and just figure out where I wanted to go with everything, because I felt like I was supposed to be farther than where I was. But you know what I'm saying, you can't question God, and life is gonna just happen. So I believe in everything, you know what I'm saying. I know it's gonna be good at the end. Sometimes things don't happen right when you want it to happen, but it's gonna happen at the perfect time when you're ready. You know, sometimes God is just trying to get your mind right to see what you're gonna do with what you have next coming. And I really like realized, like, if I want to get to the next level, I have to really like overcome myself and my doubts, and just, you know what I'm saying, go for it all and just do it with the right intentions. And that's what I always wanted to do, is just be a pure, you know what I'm saying, soul to people, and really just be me. So anybody that has ever met me in real life know, like, I'm talking, you know what I'm saying, it's all love, like, ain't no ego, you know what I'm saying, at all, bro. We all the same, and I just try to resonate that with people, you know. I'm just out here doing what God got destined for me, you know what I'm saying, or at least trying to figure it out, you know what I'm saying. I'm just on that journey, and it's all love while I'm on the journey. I just want to help people like you, younger barbers, you know what I'm saying, be able to prosper and believe in yourself and become great, just like I did. I was just a regular kid, man, who picked up some clippers and started cutting hair out of his, you know, parents' house, bro. And I came all the way up from it. And it's just the beginning, man. And I just want to be here to inspire you guys. And I don't know if you guys seen, but on my story, I made a post. It was a while ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago, maybe. I was like, I'm going to be helping a lot of people learn how to make money off social media using their barber skills. And I'm creating a course right now. I'm almost like done with it, you know, more than halfway done. I have to get some more things situated with what I want to do, and I'm going to be dropping that for you guys too, for you guys to be able to purchase and invest in yourself and learn all the ways that you can make money, you know what I'm saying, online, just by creating videos, putting the camera in front of what you do every day. That's all I ever did. I was like, you know, if I'm gonna be a barber, I'm gonna put a camera in front of my journey. I want to just show the world, you know what I'm saying, I am somebody. I got greatness to show to the world, and you know, when you putting out good energy, it's gonna return to you. And I want people to really tap into that and really believe that they can do it. If that's something that you want to do, you know what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure a lot of people look up to me like, yo, like, you know, you inspire me. You cool, Josh. You know, want to take pictures with me and everything. But it's not about that. All I ever did was give back and help other people, and just show my good energy to the world, you know what I'm saying. In return, people show love, and that's all it is, man. It's just you know, everything goes in a circle. So I'm gonna be teaching a lot about that, you know, on social media, how to grow your platforms. I actually had a couple people hit me up asking me about that. I'm gonna show you guys all the equipment that you have to buy, you know, the strategies I took to be able to grow my page, not just in the industry and, you know what I'm saying, be able to be noticed by people, but how growing your social media online can actually like impact like your surrounding area, your demographic that you're trying to reach, and getting new potential clients, people finding you from Instagram because your stuff shows up on the explore page, or when they type in your city, you know, they see you because, you know, Instagram amplifies you because you are like, you have good audience retention, you know what I'm saying. Like you get a lot of people attracted to your page. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do all that and how you can leverage it all and make money online and just grow an online brand and just get yourself out there. You know, that's what social media is for, is to reach out and let people know, like, I am somebody in this world. It really doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying. You're not doing it for like honorable mention or anything. It's just the fact that it's there to be done, and I want people to tap into that. Like right now, I'm stuck in the house. I got COVID. You know what I'm saying? I get paid online. You know what I'm saying? Amazon paid me like yesterday or the day before yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Randomly. I really forget that I get paid from them because I'm an Amazon affiliate. But like, it's just crazy how like, okay, I'm not making money right now because I'm not cutting hair, but I have other ways that money can come in. You know what I'm saying? I just been trying to, you know what I'm saying, learn more, man, and just really tap into myself. You guys need to read some books too. You know, I'll drop a list of some books that you guys can read that can help your mental. If you're on that journey, man, trying to be successful and just trying to be better, you know what I'm saying, than where you were in the past. It doesn't have to be like a dramatic, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to blow up crazy. It's just that you want to lay a brick every day, man, and you want to be better than yesterday. And that's all it takes, because those small steps become a big step in the end. Everything that I've ever done to get to where I'm at now were like little steps at a time. Like I said, it's not going to happen overnight, man. It's not going to happen overnight. It just, you know, once you take those little steps, they add up to big steps. And I've been doing it 5 going on 6 years. So that's where I'm at now. But yeah, y'all, that was the update, man. My Chipotle just got here, man. I'm about to smash this food. If you're new to the channel, you're not subscribed, please go down and smash that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment on what you think. Make sure you guys let me know what type of videos y'all looking for too in 2022, because we about to go up, man. I'm about to be creating content like crazy. This year was just a year of growth and clarity, for real. And you know what I'm saying, I'm very happy for this year. I learned a lot. You know what I'm saying? I just want to give back to a lot of people, a lot of things that I've learned about myself, about life. And that's what I want to do on my channel also, and still give y'all those fire haircuts, man. We about to get back booming, you know what I'm saying, better than ever. And I thank you guys for the support. I'm about to mess this food up, and y'all have a good day, man.